Here's my dog and her new puppies. They're sharing some love. They're nursing. Bella. Bella. She's overly protective. Oh, there they are. There they are. Some of them are white. Some of them are black. One is black and white. The other's brown. Man, it's like they've been eating all day. That's so cool.